Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Mi 11X device in terms of the speed test and the RAM management test using GT mode and the high performance mode which is present in the Mi 11X device. Yes friends, this is my first time doing this kind of comparison between both phones using high performance and using the GT mode and using 3GB expansion of RAM in the Mi 11X device using the 5GB expansion RAM in the Realme GT Neo 2. Let's see with this kind of intense kind of settings which phone gonna open these applications and these games faster and how many apps and how many games will be there in the background RAM management. So these are the two things which I'll definitely concentrate, and this high performance mode which is present in the battery options right now, I didn't enable that high performance mode, as you can clearly see friends. In case if you did not find this option, don't worry, in the next update you will be able to find this option as well, which is a high performance mode. So let's see which phone gonna open this fast using this kind of setting. First, let me show you what kind of Wi-Fi connection I have connected. So both phones should be connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi connectivity, which is 2.4 GHz network, as you can exactly see here. So that's perfectly done. Let me clear everything from the background. So all the apps are completely clear from the background in both phones. As you can see, there's no running applications. And using high performance mode, using GT mode, now we're gonna demonstrate the speed test and the RAM management test between this both phones. Let's start with the first application, Google Chrome. Let's see, and in case if you're having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I'll be able to help you out by solving those kind of doubts. Let's see. Let's do the speed test using the same 2.5 GHz network only. I'm trying to do. And 8 plus 5GB friends I did enable, and 8 plus 3GB of RAM expansion which I did enable in the Mi 11X device. And in case if you want to play the Battlegrounds mobile game at 90 FPS, make sure to watch my recently uploaded videos on the BGMI Mi 11X device and the Realme GT Neo 2, how you can actually play at 90 FPS. I did do the step-by-step tutorial as well, that will definitely help you. And right now the test stopped for some reason, but that's kind of normal, sometimes it does happen. Now I'll try to keep these results in the background as a RAM management. Next is a Flipkart, and Flipkart, let's open this game. Next is a touch sampling rate application, and I'm going to draw some lines. You can see the more lines are detecting on the Mi 11X device a little bit more than the Realme GT Neo 2. That's also another thing about the touch sampling rate. 300 Hz touch sampling rate and 360 Hz touch sampling rate, that's the difference between these both phones. So the phone 600 Hz touch sampling rate, the company, they did claim that I was unable to get that kind of 600 Hz touch sampling rate in my usage. I cannot get that. But let's see which phone will be logged in first. I think first the Realme GT Neo 2 is logging in first. Yes. The Realme GT Neo 2 did open the Call of Duty game faster than the Mi 11X device. So the GT mode will definitely be a lot of efficient friends in this high performance mode. So maybe in the future the high performance mode will be getting affected. Maybe in the MIUI 13, I think so. But right now, first time the logo did show up in the Mi 11X device, recording the Battlegrounds mobile game, not bad. And first we are seeing the login page first in the Mi 11X device. The boot up page got showed, as you can see clearly the difference between these both phones. Let me to open the Subway Surf game. Let's see what happens now. So both phones are not bad, very close. And Candy Crush is not bad. Let's see the Angry Birds 2. So this is the last game, and after this I'll try to test the RAM management between these both phones, which phone actually stores this many apps and games in the background. So not bad. So both phones did log in exactly at the same time. Now as you can see friends, all the 5 applications and all the 5 games are completely open in both phones. Everything from the starting to end, everything is completely open. As you can clearly see, all the apps and all the games completely okay. In front of the camera, I'm not trying to pause this video, nothing at all. Let's see which phone opens the Google Chrome again. I'm trying to come back one by one from the beginning. Okay, so let's start with again Google Chrome. Let's go 1, 2 and 3. Boom. The Mi 11X device was able to open Google Chrome without even getting refreshed. Not bad. Let's see the next application, which is so which is the Amazon Prime application. Let's see this one, Amazon Shopping. Let's see 1, 2, and there's a phone. As you can see, friends, clearly there is a phone exactly. Let's see whether the phone will be staying or not. In the Mi Lennox device, it was able to stay, but not in the Realme GT Neo 2, unfortunately. You can see the difference, what is happening with the RAM management. The Realme is struggling a lot to keep the number of applications in the background. Let's see at least the speed test. So 2 points already gone, and speed test, all the results, you can clearly see, friends, the result. Let's see what happens. Boom. The results were there in the Mi Lennox device, but not in the Realme GT Neo 2, unfortunately. No, it's not there. Let's move to the next application, which is a Flipkart. Realme GT Neo 2 is their phone. Let's see. Look at that instant reaction, like instant you're getting in the Mi Lennox device. So Flipkart was the one application which is there exactly. But let's see this touch sampling rate. These lines will be there in the Realme GT Neo 2 or not. That lines, okay? Let's see. 1, 2, and 3. Mi Lennox device. So Mi Lennox device was able to store all the applications. Realme GT Neo 2 stored only Flipkart as in the background. That's it. Only 1 point. Let's move to the next games part, which is the Call of Duty game. Let's try to open the Call of Duty again. 1, 2, and 3. So Mi Lennox device was able to keep the Call of Duty game not bad in the background as well. Still, the game is everything did not get time to load, no problem. But Realme GT Neo 2 is taking some time. Next is the Battlegrounds mobile game. Let's start Battlegrounds mobile game. 1, 2, and 3. Boom. So Mi Lennox device was able to keep even the Battlegrounds mobile game in the background. That's also another bonus point. You can see, friends, how it's going on with this Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the RAM management. And Subway Surf also not there in the background RAM management. And let's see the Candy Crush. Candy Crush 1, 2, and 3. It's there in the background in the Mi Lennox device. Candy Crush, which is not there in the Realme GT Neo 2. So Angry Birds 2. Boom. So finally, friends, in the RAM management test, definitely the Realme need to improve a lot in the RAM management test. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts. And overall, I think only one application was able to store in the background, which is Flipkart. Other than that, all the applications are completely gone from the RAM management. They were not there as it is. But in the Mi Lennox device, everything, all the 5 apps were completely able to store without any issues. As you can see, friends, without any kind of problem, they are trying to open without any issues. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this, friends. Stay tuned for more updates. This is a quick test using the high performance mode and using the GT mode in both phones. So in this way, we'll be able to understand what is happening with the speed. With the speed, the Realme GT Neo 2 was able to open few of them faster. That's kind of, I can agree. But in the RAM management, totally win for the Mi 11X device. So I did not even use any kind of gain space. No game turbo, no gain space is used, because if I try to use them, they'll clear background. Again, all the users will comment that because of gain space only, RAM management is not good. Without gain space also, the RAM management is not good in this device. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. Maybe with the future updates, the phone should be improving. Let's hope for that. Fingers crossed. Let's see what happens next after a couple of updates, after a couple of months. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.